Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to play with the gloss from Jeffree Star. So I know if you guys watched my last video, I was like, I'm not getting those. Maybe I'll pick up a shade in the future, but the swatches in the campaign just did not look attractive. Just a lot of cracking on the models. Like, it just did not look the best. So I ended up watching some swatch videos on other people and I was like, okay, they actually look nice. And so I did go in store to the Morphe store and I picked up a few shades. So we are going to swatch them alone. We're going to swatch them on top of lipstick, see what we think. And if they, you know, maybe, I don't know what happened with the campaign stuff, but hopefully we will like them. But I have tried out a few in store and I will kind of go through and talk you through all my thoughts. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I really appreciate you guys. And let's go ahead and jump into these. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I had to refilm this because our stupid fire alarm, or like, you know, the fire detector, smoke detector, there we go, kept going off. And I was like, oh, I'll just take the battery out like in the movies. No, that thing chirped for hours, okay? So I had to go get a new battery. But this is the packaging for the gloss. I always feel like the boxes are so deceiving. Fenty does this too, where I'm like, oh, it's gonna be huge, and then you kind of open it up and it's not that big. I feel like Jeffree Star is going like the opposite way, where like all his products used to be so much in it, like the Skin Frost, and now like they're getting a little stingier, just saying. But yeah, this is the packaging, which I do like. It's not something I'll probably keep, you know what I mean, but it's cute. But here is the component. So I like this, but I don't love it. It's not my favorite. I wouldn't say it looks like super, doesn't feel like the most luxurious. It has weight to it, but it's not my favorite component, you know? And then compared to, I got two shades. I got the shade Control Freak and Legends Only. And I will say, like, Legends Only looks so much like the concealer to where I'm like, do not put these in the same drawer, because it has happened to me before where I have put a lip gloss in the place of concealer. It was not good. So that is my only thing with these, is like, I wish it was different so that I don't confuse them. But that could just be me, and you know, nobody else would make that mistake. I don't know. Anyways, so this is the shade Legends Only on its own. It is a very nude gloss. It almost reminds me of like the KKW like super nude glosses. Oh my gosh, I literally did just pick up the concealer and I was like, oh, the doe foot's different on this one. Oh geez. Okay, back it up there, back it up. It could have been bad. So here we go. This is the right one. This is what you're getting for a doe foot. It's definitely not my favorite. I don't love, it's not bad by any means. It works. It doesn't feel like so flimsy to where you're like it's gonna break off, but I like mine to be a little bit thicker. So this is with a second coat on there. Like I said, it's pretty nude, but it's coming off almost pinkish, even though it's supposed to just be a nude. And you can't really swatch any color. Like you guys can see, it just comes off as clear almost on the back of my hand. So yeah, this is the shade Legends Only. Alright, next up we have Control Freak. I love baby pink glosses. I'm really not a... They had a lot of glitter ones, like Diamond Juice was gorgeous. But I felt like I had a ton of glitter glosses in my collection already. And I tend to reach for ones that don't have glitter unless it's like a specific occasion. But on a daily basis, I don't necessarily want that. So I might go back for Diamond Juice eventually, but I was like, control yourself, only buy two, you know? So one swipe. There we go. So as you can see, these are very, very sheer. They are not, like, opacity-wise, they're not going to be, like, on the same level as, like, I would say Dosa Colors are pretty pigmented, or Kylie, some of hers are pretty pigmented. So it all depends on what you like. I will say, like, the smell-wise, it goes away super fast. I thought it was going to be more fragrance than this. It is a sweet, like, dessert kind of smell, but it's not, like, it goes away, like, super quick. And I enjoy sweet smells. I don't enjoy floral smells. So I don't think if you're sensitive, you're going to be like, this is too much. But yeah, this is the shade Control Freak on its own, and then we'll swatch these over lipstick next. Alright, so this is Kylie's Creep It Real. This is kind of one of my more go-tos. I didn't want to do a liquid lipstick since I'm going to do both of these, and to be honest, I haven't been reaching for liquid lipsticks as much. My Arizona lips are dry like the desert. So let's put on Legends Only. And I do really like this. I like it more than I thought. The sun is like out. But like I said, it doesn't really have, it's nude, but very, very nude. Like, I would say like super nude, but like I said, since it is sheer, it's more of like, I actually like it on its own as well. Alright, now let's do Control Freak over the same exact lipstick. And let's see if it gives it a pink tint. Okay, so it gives the tiniest pink tint. I wouldn't say there's a huge difference between the two, but it is enough. Like, I actually prefer these, I think, on its own as well as a topper. But yeah, here is Control Freak. But the tiniest baby pink, it definitely looks more pink in the tube than it comes off, for sure. Alright, so quick video today. Overall, my thoughts, I'm happy with the two shades that I did get. I didn't get, like I said, I didn't get the glittery ones just because I feel like I have, like, glitter glosses I feel like are easier to, like, dupe. Whereas, like, finding ones where I feel like the color is good, I don't know why. I draw more to these ones in general, like the High Shine formula. But the crystal ones were really nice. I would say if I was recommending a shade, I would definitely go with, like, Diamond Juice. That was probably the prettiest one I saw. But again, it's all up to preference. It is very nice and comfortable on the lips. It's not super sticky. I did wear one for about 4 hours and it lasted a good amount of time. Obviously it's a gloss, so it comes off really fast, but it didn't like disappear after like an hour, which is usually, you know, definitely some gloss formulas work that way. And thing was, the campaign photos, it made it look like it was going to be that kind of gloss that like really emphasized all your lines and kind of broke apart and just looked disgusting. I don't know how else to put it, but as you guys can see, I really don't have that issue at all. I really actually enjoy the formula, and because I wore it for a few hours, at least I have a good idea of how it wore after a while, and it didn't do that to my lips by any means. So I just want you guys to see a nice close up. I'm trying not to put my teeth in here, you know, I'm like, ugh, I don't want you staring at those. But yeah, I think it was just a bad shoot. I don't think it had anything to do with the actual lip glosses. Will I say that, like, I think these are nice. They're $18. I wouldn't say they're anything so special to where I'm like, run out, get it. It's a nice gloss. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite formula. I really enjoy, if I had to give you like my top three, it would be Fenty's Gloss Bombs, Kylie's High Glosses, and Pat McGrath glosses. Those would be like my top three. Obviously these are cheaper than Pat McGrath, but these are the same price as like the Kylie's and I believe the Fenty as well. So I would still go in store and swatch them if you're interested. I think that you wouldn't be disappointed by any means by these, but I wouldn't say like it's not gonna be like the gloss for me. You know what I mean? Like I will reach for these. I would recommend them, but I wouldn't say they're my favorite. You know what I mean? But definitely much better than I thought they were going to be, so that's good. I feel like just with these points, I just want to wave them around. I just watched the Grindelwald movie again yesterday. Anyways, not the point. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope this video was useful for you. I know I lied, and I picked up things I was not supposed to. But anyways, nonetheless, I hope you guys like this. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. And I think I covered everything. So I will see you guys in the next one.